Okay, so these I think are great. I didn't even know they existed. This is for the typical silver crock pot. I think it's like 7 or 8 quarts. It's going to work fine. It's just going to sit right there. Easy. Well, there you go. See, that might happen once or twice. But I think if you are careful, it's going to be fine. However, this little guy, if you put him like this, you notice how this thing is now sliding. So it's kind of sliding down. So take that off, but now it's going to go like this. I think it works a little better. Still a little iffy. Okay, so then, sorry. So then if we move over here to this one, this is going to be an issue if this is a little Hamilton Beach. And I think it's like a 4 quart. This has the rubber around the edges. So this does not work. So if you have one of these, it's just going to cling to it. It is not